Welcome, this is Rami from Lync Development. In this video, I'll be showing you our Lync CRM Connector. This connector integrates Microsoft Lync Server to Microsoft Dynamics CRM, allowing call centers to increase their agents' efficiency by providing a unified experience for call center agents dealing with Microsoft Lync as a telephony solution and Microsoft Dynamics CRM as a customer relationship management solution, and by eliminating the agent's need to manually search in CRM records each time a new call is received. Now, suppose I'm a call center agent receiving a new call. Once I answer the call, the connector will open a browser window to include the CRM interface and will automatically insert the phone number in the CRM phone field. I can then type all the data I need the same way I'm used to when working with CRM. I'll type the email and some description. After I finish, I will save this record, close my window, and wait for a new call. Please note that when a new call is received, the connector will automatically look up for the received number in CRM phone fields. If there is a match, the customer name will be displayed, and once the call is answered, the customer record will be automatically opened in the browser, as we will see in this demo. This connector saves a lot of time wasted in searching for my customer's CRM records while they are on hold. As you can see, the next time my customer calls, his name will be resolved, and his case will be opened automatically with all his current information. I can then add any new information I have, save it, and close my browser window. As you can see, the connector is very easy to use and does not require any additional training to the call center agents. As for the installation of the connector, it's pretty straightforward and doesn't require any additional servers. To install this connector in your environment, all you need is to install the connector service on the Lync front-end server and the connector client on the client PC. Thank you for your time. Please feel free to visit us at www.lincdev.com. Thank you and goodbye.